Absolutely stunning. This is the Defender X Dynamic HSE, but it's the D350 hardtop commercial in Woolstone Green, the colour that everybody wants when it comes to a Defender commercial. This is a 26 model year with just literally 200 miles on, delivery miles. Like any commercial hardtop, it is plus VAT, so it's price of the vehicle plus VAT as it is a commercial vehicle. That colour is amazing, but this car then has that bespoke styling kit on it, and it's everywhere, from the bonnet venting, the side venting, the extended arches with the lovely grooves in there, the Canards. You've also got the squared LED daytime running lights. Being the 26 model year, you've got the new shape to the headlight systems, backlights, and even some of the finishes on the interior. You've got the beautiful Hawk 22-inch alloy wheels, classic style mud flaps, side steps, the quad pod light system, and the contrasting black roof. Like I keep saying, are you in the market for a commercial vehicle? Because a commercial vehicle doesn't have to be boring, it doesn't have to be just a boring van. Something like this that is a premium SUV, has fantastic driving capabilities on road and off-road. This being the X Dynamic HSE, which is top of the range, gives you premium leather, Meridian Sound system, electric heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting package, big screen navigation, and then this car's got air suspension. You've got adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad, more cubbyhole space underneath here. It is amazing, it really is. How much more could you physically want when it comes to a commercial vehicle? Buy this for the business and you're doing okay. In the back, you have lots of lockable space. You can see the bulkhead there. This opens up, LED lights there, and you've got the coat hangers. Okay, so this bespoke styling continues round the back with a top spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, and you have the new detailing on the rear lighting system. There's a space from the back. The door opens up just like that, and you have the electric deployable tow bar. So big must-haves, air suspension, electric deployable tow bar. The engine to have is the biggest one if that's what you want, the lots of power. We do sell a lot of Defenders here. A lot of them tend to be the D350, which is more than enough. But if you have the financial means to buy the extra horsepower, then the D350 will literally, it'll surprise you how quick these things are. Push button start, you've got full digital dashboard, 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors. It's got it all, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Very, very easy to drive, comfortable, nice and high up, brilliant visibility, and it has great styling. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.